Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best solar star is probably one of the most innovative and efficient ways to harness the power of the sun for your home, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution for your energy needs. This advanced solar panel system is designed to maximize energy production, even in less than ideal weather conditions, ensuring you get the most out of your investment while reducing your carbon footprint. With its sleek design and robust construction, the solar star seamlessly integrates into your home's aesthetic, providing reliable power for years to come. Number 5. DIBIEECN Solar Lanterns Outdoor Waterproof. Transform your outdoor space with this gorgeous and imaginative garden decor. At night, it casts a bright, warm light, creating a pleasant ambience for your yard and deck. This outdoor lantern harnesses the sun's energy, charging for 6 hours to provide over 8 hours of light. Its waterproof design ensures it works even on rainy days. Crafted from upgraded, durable metal, this hanging solar lantern is built to last and won't easily deform or blow away. It's a convenient, eco-friendly lighting solution. Presented in innovative gift box packaging, this makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Bring light and joy to your loved ones. Measuring 7.1 h, *3.9 l, *3.9 w, it's perfect for gardens, porches, patios, and backyards. Place it on the ground or hang it up for beautiful decoration. Featuring a unique sun and moon design, this lantern adds a touch of magic to your outdoor setting. It's a delightful addition to any home. What we like. This lantern offers a gorgeous, imaginative design that fuses retro aesthetics with vibrant graphics. It boasts long-endurance solar power, ensuring at least 8 hours of light after a 6-hour charge, and is waterproof with an IP65 rating. If you're looking for a decorative piece that adds a warm, pleasant ambience to your yard or patio, even on rainy days, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The solar star is a great product that works well. I love the design of the solar star, it is very sleek and modern. The solar star has a lot of great features that make it stand out from the competition. Number 4. Vuees Solar Fairy Moon Garden Stake Light. Transform your outdoor space with our solar-powered garden lights. They automatically illuminate your yard with a warm, patterned glow, creating a magical atmosphere. Enjoy automatic operation with these lights. They harness sunlight to charge during the day and turn on at dusk, providing up to 8 hours of light without any wiring. Save on electricity bills with our eco-friendly design. The high-efficiency solar panel charges the built-in battery, requiring no external power source. Built to last, these lights are crafted from premium, rust-resistant materials with a waterproof design. They are made to withstand various weather conditions. Add a touch of enchantment to your lawn, patio, or pathway. These decorative stakes cast beautiful warm white light patterns, perfect for any outdoor setting. Surprise your loved ones with a unique and beautiful gift. These lights are ideal for holidays, birthdays, or simply to brighten someone's outdoor space. What we like. This stake light features automatic on-off functionality, glowing at dusk and charging by day. It's constructed from rust-resistant metal with a waterproof IP65 design for durability. If you desire enchanting landscape lighting with beautiful patterned reflections to accent your lawn, patio, or pathway, this is the perfect addition to your outdoor space. What people say. The solar panel is very efficient and charges the battery quickly. The light is very bright and illuminates a large area. The battery life is excellent, lasting all night on a single charge. Number 3. Star Solar Lights Garden Outdoor Decor. Illuminate your garden and holidays with these enchanting star-shaped solar lights. They automatically turn on at dusk, creating a beautiful twinkling effect in your yard or along pathways. Add a touch of celestial charm to your outdoor spaces with their classic 5-point star silhouette. Made from durable metal, they are built to withstand the elements for year-round beauty. Enjoy a reliable warm white glow for 8 to 10 hours after charging in sunlight. Their automatic on-off feature and upgraded LED bulbs provide a bright, hassle-free lighting solution. Decorate your yard in minutes with these easy-to-install lights. Simply place them in the ground, no wiring required, perfect for any garden or festive display. These durable and beautifully packaged solar star lights make a unique and practical gift. They are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or anyone who loves celestial-themed decor. What we like. These star-shaped solar lights automatically illuminate at dusk, creating a magical twinkling effect. Made from weather-resistant metal, they provide 8 to 10 hours of soft warm white light. If you want hassle-free, eco-friendly outdoor lighting that adds celestial charm to your garden, pathway, or holiday displays, these are an ideal choice. What people say. The solar panel is very efficient and charges the battery quickly. The light is very bright and illuminates a large area. The battery life is excellent, lasting all night on a single charge. Number 2. DenicMic Solar Firework Meteor Lights. Introducing our stunning solar firework lights. These large, eye-catching lights create a dazzling display that will transform your outdoor space. Choose from 8 dynamic lighting modes to set the perfect ambience. Easily switch between modes with the included remote control, up to 15 meters away. Customize your light show by adjusting the brightness and flickering speed. Create the exact look you desire for any occasion. These lights are powered by the sun, charging fully in 4 to 6 hours for 6 to 8 hours of illumination. Set timers for automatic operation, ensuring light when you need it. Built to withstand the elements, these lights are durable and weatherproof. Enjoy reliable performance in various weather conditions. Decorate your garden, patio, pathway, or use them for parties and holidays. They add a festive touch to any outdoor setting. What we like. These large solar firework lights feature a stunning starburst design with 224 LED lights and 8 dynamic lighting modes, all controllable by remote. They are waterproof and offer a timer function for convenience. If you're looking to create a spectacular and customizable light show for holidays, parties, or garden decoration, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The Solar Star is a great product that works well. I love the design of the Solar Star, it's very sleek and modern. The Solar Star has a unique feature that allows it to charge devices wirelessly. Number 1. 18 Easy Assembly Battery Timer White LED Moravian Star. Illuminate your holidays with this stunning 18-inch warm white LED Moravian Star. Its beautiful glow will shine brightly throughout the night, adding a magical touch to your festive decorations. Enjoy effortless operation with the built-in timer. It automatically turns on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours, so you never have to worry about managing your holiday lights. This lighted star is designed for both indoor and outdoor settings. Hang it on your porch, patio, or rooftop, or bring its charm inside to adorn your entryway or tall ceilings. Its elegant three-dimensional design complements other holiday decor beautifully. The classic pointed star shape is seamless, offering a sophisticated and uncluttered look. Setting up this decoration is a breeze. With its fast press and clip design, assembly is hassle-free, allowing you to enjoy its beauty without any difficulty. What we like. This 18-inch Moravian star features a convenient 6-hour on 18-hour off battery timer, eliminating the need for manual operation. It boasts a seamless 3D design and requires no hard assembly, making it easy to hang indoors or outdoors. If you need a beautiful, hassle-free lighted star for holiday decoration, porch light, or venue decor, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The Solar Star is a great product that works well and has a good design. The functionality and features of the Solar Star are excellent, making it a worthwhile purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.